Spangler, Flooring Division Manager with Wagner Meters. Are you tired of filling out endless piles of paperwork? Frustrated with lost or destroyed documentation? Disgusted by coffee-soaked concrete RH test records? Yuck! Jason, there's got to be a better way. Fret no more. With Rapid RH L6, green gives you digital freedom and an unbroken stream of data from sensor to final report. It won't help those sleepless nights, that's your issue. But what L6 will provide is innovative Bluetooth data transmission technology that will save you a lot more time and give you maximum data integrity for rock-solid test data documentation. It begins with the Rapid RH Total Reader, a touch and sense device that makes contact with Rapid RH L6 smart sensors to read RH and temperature from the concrete while its built-in sensor reads ambient conditions at the same time. Concrete and ambient readings are automatically sent via Bluetooth to the free DataMaster L6 app on your mobile device. When transferring sensor data to the free DataMaster L6 app, the number of readings that can be stored is only limited by the storage capacity of your smart device. This new Rapid RH L6 integrated data storage capability makes it even easier to prove the validity of your readings at any time in the future. Plus, it generates a PDF report that can be sent to the client directly from your mobile device. The combination of the Total Reader and the DataMaster L6 app is a complete data reading, storage, and reporting system that provides comprehensive data integrity. You can link all recorded data to your job site sensor locations with a mapping function. You can capture data directly from the sensor and email read-only reports. You can print reports directly from your smart device and upload your job data directly to F2170reports.com website. It won't wash your dishes yet, but give us a couple of years. Email me at jspangler@wagnermeters.com with your questions or comments. Or if you haven't already, visit rapidrh.com to learn more about and purchase our next level L6 concrete RH testing system. It's fast, it's easy, and it's digital. It's the Rapid RH L6. While you're here, check out these other videos and click subscribe.